If you're looking for the Lululemon Align leggings, CRZ Yoga has got you. I'm gonna do a side-by-side comparison so you can judge for yourself. The logo is in the same exact spot. It also has the same reflective material. They're also made with a very similar fabric composition. The only difference is nylon and polyamide, sort of like Skims fabric. It literally feels like the same buttery, soft, smooth fabric. Now for the differences, there is almost like a Y-shaped gusset connecting to the back seam on the CRZ Yoga, and then Lululemon, there's a gap between the front and back seam. I didn't notice a difference in the look down there. Both have the front seam, so you're gonna have a little bit of camel toe, but we all have one. As for sizing it, I would say that the leggings are true to size. I wear the smallest size in everything, and I got an extra small, and they fit me really well. I usually go for a 25-inch because I'm 5'1". The 25-inch will hit me at my ankles, a full length. So these leggings are definitely petite friendly. If you are taller, 25-inch is probably gonna fit you more like a 7/8 or even like a crop length, depending on how tall you are. Overall, I really enjoyed these leggings, and I literally could not tell the difference. They look and feel so good, and for the price, you can't beat it.